Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Promoted Sandra. So if you are new to my channel, hi. If you're not, hello. Here on my YouTube channel, I do everything related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle and skincare. So if you're interested in any of these categories, don't want to join the family by clicking the subscribe button and also turn on post notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, as I already saw the title or as you saw on the screen, so guys, today I'm going to be reviewing these products. This product that has been trending online. This is the St. Ives facial scrub, and I believed I promised you guys in one of my videos that I'm going to be reviewing this product. Today I'm going to be genuinely reviewing this product, if you should use it or not. Is St. Ives facial scrub worth it? So do want to keep up watching. So before we get into it, do want to subscribe if you've not subscribed, and follow me up on my Instagram handle, TikTok and on Facebook at Promoted Sandra. Okay, so if you have any question you want to ask at the end of this video, let me know in the comment section. And if you have any suggestions, contributions, let me also know at the comment section. If you also want me to make a video for you, hello, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to do that. Okay, so this is the St. Ives facial scrub, and I purchased this 3 weeks ago and I've used this for like 4 to 5 times. So before I continue with my review, and I've watched a lot of videos here on the YouTube, and a lot of people have been saying negative things about this product, that it is no good. Before I purchase any product, I always check out for reviews. I don't just buy it for buying sake. So when I went there, the product that I actually went for, I couldn't find it, so they gave me this one and I was like, okay, let me check a review of this product before I purchased it. My network was so bad and the person said it is good and all that, and trust me, due to the fact that I always love doing reviews, so I decided to pick this up to go and check it out. If it's good, I'll do review. If it's not good, I'll also do the review. So that's how I picked it up. And when I got home, my network finally worked. I checked the review of this product. I saw a lot of people condemning it and I was discouraged and I almost wanted to return it. Under mindset, moreover, people have different skin type. You want to review it, why don't you try it out? And I was still searching, digging deep, and I saw a video of a lady that said she has been using it for 2 years and this product did not harm her. She's wondering why people are complaining, and she said before you buy any products, make sure you read what is written on it. And she drew my attention to this part that I want to talk about before I tell you if you should buy the product or not. One thing they wrote on this product that really, in fact, when I read it, I was more encouraged to use it. I was just okay, I feel relieved, and I felt like, oh, now this is the reading. Now let us read something about this product. This is what they wrote here. So this multi-award winner contains 100% natural walnut shell powder to deeply exfoliate for clean, glowing skin. Now the word that I picked from that lady's point is deeply exfoliate. So for a lot of people that were complaining that this product were not working on their skin, if they really went ahead to read what was written on the product, I believe they will know when to use it, how to use it, and the numbers of time to use it. This is a deep exfoliator, so that means this product is made for people that have deep, strong skin, not for people that already have soft skin, those that have strong, sensitive skin. So if you have light skin, your skin is like that of a baby, don't go for something that is deep exfoliating. Okay, go for something that is soft. So you can go for other products that are soft, or you can go for, I don't know if this product also have the one that's soft exfoliating or just the normal. I don't know if they have them, because I know they have different colors on this product, but I don't know if they have that. But in case they don't have, then go for something that best suits your type. And if you have a very soft skin, this is how to use this product, because for me, my skin is not strong. Immediately I read it and I saw that it was for those that want to deeply clean their skin. What I do is that I apply the quantity that I want to use on my palm, and I dab it to my face and I scrub my face. I don't really press it to my face like to scrub until heavy redness and all that. So I just use it lightly on my face, and I'll be using it. I've used it for like 4 to 5 times, and for me, I don't have anything called breakouts on my skin. I don't have anything. It has not cost anything. In fact, it has been helping me to exfoliate my skin like really clean. Okay, so it has not cost anything on my skin. So it then means that this is good if you want to use it, but if you must use it, if you have light skin, please avoid using it very deep on your skin. Avoid pressing it to your skin. So if you must use it, if you have strong skin, you can do it deep, but if you have light skin like me, if you have a soft skin like me, then you can just use it gently on your face. Please do not press it, do not press it, or you understand what I'm saying. Just gently use it on your skin, and you're going to enjoy the benefits of this product. I saw a lot of people saying that they are using this on their body since it was not good on their face. Anyway, there are some persons maybe naturally it will not be good on their face, and I don't know. So for me, it is good on my face. And so one thing I advise is that you should avoid over pressing it on your face. I believe that is the key word, that is the main thing I'm going to be saying. So outside that, I see nothing wrong with it, so you can go for it if you want to go for it. So if you are still following me up and you've not subscribed, why? What did it happen? What did they share it? Okay, so do what to join the family by clicking the subscribe button, and also turn on post notification. Follow me on TikTok, on Instagram, and on Facebook at Promoted Sandra. Let's be friends. If you have any questions, contributions, anything, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, and lastly, before I end this video, if you're looking for ways on how to make money, how to level up, and also how to grow your social media platform, do want to subscribe to my second YouTube channel, which this is the name on the screen. Do where to check the description section or also the comment section for the link. See you on my next video. Bye.